Whether you are new to Tabidoo or just want to refresh your knowledge, you are in the right place. I'm Michala from Tabidoo, and in this video I will guide you through the basic Tabidoo terminology. So sit back and let's get started. The basic cornerstone of Tabidoo is the application. It's a tool that allows you to create your own custom work environment based on your preferences. It consists of data tables that can be linked and used for efficient data processing. For example, you can create your own CRM, fleet management, or any other data management application. If you don't want to create an application from scratch, you can check out the template section. Here you will find out various applications containing tables with sample data that you can download and modify. As I mentioned earlier, each application consists of tables that allow you to manage data and aggregate it into meaningful units. In the CRM application, for example, you can have tables such as contracts or orders. If you have too many tables in your application and you are starting to get lost in them, it's time to sort them into modules. This way, you can have, for example, all the tables related to HR or sales together. A table consists of individual columns, which we call fields in Tabidoo. Each field is of a different data type, depending on the data you manage in it. We call individual rows of a table records. You can add, modify, duplicate or delete records at any time. When editing each record, a form opens, when you can freely change your data. And finally, if you want to give your data a graphical dimension, you will definitely come across the dashboard. Dashboard is a great tool that allows you to keep the most important data in one clear place. It consists of widgets, such as graphs, metrics, or lists, which you can display on your own tab or about the table. You have just become expert in our terminology and are ready to take advantage of everything that Tabidoo offers. How about creating your own app right away? Visit our next tutorial, where I will guide you through this quickly and easily. Thank you for your attention and see you in the next video.